Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of replacing the LCD cover on your HP 15cs2004ns laptop. Let's start with the tools you'll need for this task. You'll require a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage from static electricity. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This is crucial for safety. Next, we'll access the screws that hold the LCD cover in place. Flip the laptop over and locate the screws on the bottom panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, gently remove all screws labeled near the LCD section. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic prying tool to detach the bottom panel. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. If you're unsure about the process or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert help when you need it. After successfully removing the bottom panel, locate the screws securing the LCD hinges. Remove these screws carefully, ensuring you support the LCD panel as you do this. With the screws out, gently lift the LCD panel off the hinges and disconnect the display cable located at the back. Make sure to handle this cable with care to avoid any damage. Now, let's prepare the new LCD cover for installation. Ensure that the new cover is clean and free of dust. If needed, you can use a microfiber cloth for a gentle wipe. When you're ready, connect the display cable to the new cover, aligning it properly before securing it with the screws. If you find the process overwhelming or lack the necessary tools, keep in mind our pickup and delivery service at your home. This allows you to have your laptop repaired without any hassle. You won't have to make any calls or travel to a repair shop. Once the display cable is connected, align the new cover with the hinges and secure it in place using the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Next, we'll reattach the bottom panel. Secure it with the screws you organized earlier. Ensure that all clips are seated properly and that the panel is flush with the laptop body. Finally, reinsert the battery, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check to ensure that the display is functioning correctly and that everything is in working order. If you're unsure about any part of this process or if you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the LCD cover of the HP 15cs2004ns. With the right tools and guidance, this repair can be done easily and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.